Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. I got a couple of films to share this week. This one just got a low water pressure on it, so it's an easy one to fix. And we're gonna fill it up first, yeah. But these are lights flashing on it. Then once that's done, we're gonna reset it. But let's fill it up first. Right, the capo that is missing. Yeah. Right again. No water. That's not good. Jesus, what can we?
Are these boilers any good? Yes. No.
Amazingly great boilers.
Mm-hmm.
They're brilliant, bro.
And now, yes. Yeah, the proper shit. What they say, what you pay is what you get. People pull them in because they're cheap, aren't they? Is it worth me changing it?
Not yet. So that's empty. Now this job I'm not gonna forget for a very long time. The boiler was on the 7th floor and we had to go up the stairs and no lift. It's a gladiator water boiler and the heater tank is completely empty. So we need to fill that up. To fill it up we need to open that.
Open that? Yeah.
Open that. And just fill it up to the green. That'll be, I don't know, as soon as you see it coming down. You know,
So,
right, it's leaking on there. I'm going to change it, and I'll tell you what we're going to do. We're also going to be there's a kit. I'm going to change the kit right to that and that. But to get to that, this has been about 4 or 5 years ago. I've come across this now. They're doing two as well. It's been a while, you know. Can't think of another drain off. There's a filter there. And this one here. One more there. Guys, if your boiler is broken down in Birmingham, Solihull, South Birmingham area, domestic or commercial, combination boiler, tank system, electric boilers, Gladial, pulsar coil. Just give us a call and we repair them. Nope. Anything else? Phillips. No. Positrons. Oh yes. Does it work?
Mm-hmm.
Sees one. We must mix them up though. This should be risky hard. I'm prepared, isn't it? If I had this screw driver, they're all been screwed. No, what's wrong with it?
Maybe another screw there as well.
No, nothing here. No. Right. Now we can get it. Nope. Why the hell do you have to put? Okay, this is not going to plan.
Eh?
I think I messed up.
Why?
So now, no water coming through now. Supposed to close the cold water one as well. Isn't it? No water coming out now, isn't it?
No.
So as soon as I close the cold water,
Did you close it?
yeah,
By phone?
the water needs.
Yeah.
So that's done, it's loosened up, isn't it? Yeah, that's by now. Change, isn't it? Let me just make sure, didn't I? Because last thing you know is take it off and shh. Yeah. That's it. And then that one and just total control now. Now the pieces. Mustn't drop these. Now the last one, which is there. Make sure you're holding it here.
Springs out.
Right, just hold it there. So you don't mess about with that. This is your diaphragm. Diaphragm. Right. Because we're not that clever, are we? So get this one out. Right. So this is the way it goes in, yeah? You know that. Before you, then there's gonna be a bit of water. No need to panic. Put that to the side. Put this one on. That's all. Right. Now we need to change this baby here. So I'm just gonna grab it. Just put that spring on that side so we know where it is. My big spinner. I think the easiest way is right. Yeah, it's gonna split. We put it back on there. So if we put it back on there, and just use that to open it up here. Use that one and use that one. Right. As long as you don't bust it up. So I'm just going to use it to make a leverage. But
Touch it, will mate. Touch it properly.
Where's the one?
Too much playing it.
Yeah, this one's good. This one, I should have took that off first, you know. Yeah. That's not that play, bro.
It's a spring.
That's not that. Yeah, I don't think this is a good idea. What I'm about to do. Yeah. What's the pose? So we do that. That's on. That's on. Then this goes on. Okay. And then this goes onto here. And that goes here. There. So that goes there. Now we can I have got an idea regarding that. You know what I'm gonna do? Just switch it off until it once. You know the flat screwdriver? Look at first. Where's my thingy? There it is. Yeah, go on. Go on, go on. And that's it. Pause it on this. Right, it's not leaking anymore. We've changed the nut on it and the diaphragm inside it. We don't get to see these boilers anymore.
What an awkward place to fill the
Very
system
rare
from,
now.
don't it?
Right, yeah. If you want to record.
Satan, what did you say?
I've got to take the woody man. She got doctors come up.
It's okay.
It's going to rain, man. I might have walk it, but
No, just do that. What time is it?
I think it's about 3 o'clock.
Oh, we've done that anyway. No hurry. It's snowing, I'm feeling up. I mean, doesn't look good.
Right?
Was that from before, hopefully? Right, try to tap for me. That's it.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you for watching. Till next time, keep smiling, stay positive, and hopefully that'll keep you happy. And have a happy new year. There's nothing else that is wrong with it, but it's still not fixing, man. Why is that doing that? Right, anyway.
All this is being knocked down anyway, so I'm not putting the boiler in.
But this is going to cost you a bomb.
Huh?
This fan is going to cost a bomb.
This one?
Yeah.
Let me just find out if someone's like something.
And this job was just a diagnosis on it. The fan wasn't coming on. The power was going to the fan, but the fan wasn't coming on. And it's flashing blue light rapidly. So the fan needs to be changed on this.
They've just literally taken the whole thing off.
Satan, take the fan off.